Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert lowercase to uppercase in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I convert lowercase to uppercase in this text. At first I have to select this text. Now you can see here all text are lowercase. Now I convert to uppercase. Go to format menu. Now you can see here a text option. Now click this text and go to end of the text option. Now you can see here a capitalize option. Now click uppercase. Now you can see I convert lowercase to uppercase in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.